Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 3066th edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. I wanted to give you a quick video. I was going to get out in front of my camera tonight up in my video room in my studio. But you know what? The signal changed so quickly. I wanted to get this out before the market opens. So NASDAQ flips right back to a green Omni. We had red Omnis yesterday for trading on Tuesday, which were wrong. We lost a few points in the E-mini S&P, broke even in our YM trade. Tuesday was wrong. Wednesday, we've got another green Omni, and I'm going for it. Traders, remember the risk behind trading. Risky, risky, risky. Always put your stops in. But look at this chart right here. Nice run, right? Ever since we got above the 200, NASDAQ has just taken off. What you're looking at here at this line is previous highs. Look how much higher we are than previous highs. So indices look good here. Even with the high price of crude, you can't seem to stop these indices. And as I mentioned yesterday, take a look at these guys. You can't stop them. That's not it, kids. This one, you can't stop the crypto. Check this out. Look at Bitcoin here. Above the average in a nice smart channel. The lows it traded for the last few months is right here. It's been working its way off that low. Now it's in a nice channel above the average. And we like crypto again. That's all crypto right now. Because if Bitcoin's going up, they're all going up. The Omni coin, everything goes up when Bitcoin goes up. So you got to like what you see there. And let's go back here because I wanted to do this quickly before the markets open. Remember, markets are looking bullish. We're buying dips in both crypto and in U.S. indices. And remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Hey, you Omniacs that filled out those OmniCamp applications. I know I didn't call you on Monday. I'm so sorry. I promise I will get to you tomorrow. Just had a busy week so far. You'll hear from me tomorrow. Thank you for all you do. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.